practice this. Y'all might be ready to just go on to your performance task today. So I'll leave that up to y'all. But y'all did fantastic on your reading responses and on your math. So we're going to go on and do our math first, okay, friends? So remember, I was going to quiz someone. What was the name of that picture we drew yesterday? What did we call that? Shayla Beal?
Array.
Array. Fabulous. Okay, remember we called it an array, okay? So we're going to be making one of those again for this question, but this time I'm just reading the question, and y'all are going to go on and do it yourselves, and you're going to tell me what you got, okay? So we're going to go on and read this one together. So there are 6 rows of cupcakes. There are 2 cupcakes in each row. So how many cupcakes are there total? Okay, so remember what we did yesterday when we made an array to figure it out. I'll give y'all some time to go on and start working that one out. This shouldn't take y'all very long. So there were 6 rows of cupcakes, and then there are 2 cupcakes in each row. So how many cupcakes are there total? Okay, then once you think you got it, give me a thumbs up. Yeah, Danny's thinking he's got it. Shaylee thinks she's got it. Fabulous. Ariana thinks she's got it. Okay, hold on another minute, okay? About 30 more seconds for my friends still working. These questions are a lot quicker than what we were doing last week, so I think y'all like them a lot more. Okay, about 15 more seconds. Hello, Miss Bianca. We're working on that math problem, okay, kiddo? We're just about to go over it, so if you don't finish, it's okay. Okay. All right, Danny, I'm going to pick on you, friend, since you seem to finish that one pretty quick. So what did you get for your answer?
16.
16? Ooh, I would go back and double check. You're not too far off. Let's see if we can help Danny out. He's pretty close. Shaylee Beal, you want to help him out?
12.
12. How did you get 12? Walk me through it, and I'm going to draw it out.
I put the order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so you numbered down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then what did you do?
I put 2 circles by each of them.
By each of what?
The numbers.
Okay, thank you for being specific. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, then what did you do?
I checked it and then double checked, and then the answer was 12.
Okay, so how did you count this up though? Did you count them each by themselves?
I counted them like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then I counted it like normally, and then the answer was 12.
Okay, do you know another way we could count that to make it go even faster? You can count by what?
Twos?
You can count by twos. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, so I'm just going to put right here just because I like having stuff written out. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay? And then you are right that it is 12. But you can count by twos and get there a lot faster than if you count them by themselves. Okay? Danny, do you see what you did, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. You weren't too far off, but you had just a few extras. All right. So that was a pretty short and sweet question. I'm going to go put my kitty cat up real quick because she's being silly and wanting my attention. But then I'm going to show you guys the worksheet that you're going to do today. Okay. Sorry, friends. Okay, so I'm going to go on and show you guys the worksheet you'll be looking at just so I can explain like one or two things on it real quick. That should be it. Okay, can y'all see that on your screen now? It says multiplying apples. Can y'all see that? Shake your head, yes, no? Okay, so you're going to have two questions, and so you're going to do the same thing we just did to figure those out using our arrays. Okay, so you're going to draw me your arrays right here where it says picture, okay? And then you're going to have to fill in this bottom part with our numbers, okay? Okay. So, after you do that, down here, if I can get it to scroll down. Okay, it says, how are situation A and situation B alike? How are they different? So, you're going to have to look at your work and think, okay, what do those two things have in common? And then what was different? Okay, so you're going to solve these first, okay? And then you're going to come down here and you're going to tell me what was the same and what was different about these two problems, okay? Might get a little tricky, so if you need help with that later, let me know and I'd be happy to help. Y'all won't have to do something like this at the bottom part, but I think it's good for you guys to challenge yourselves a little bit because obviously y'all are rocking it with doing arrays right now, so I want to challenge y'all a little bit. So I want y'all to still do this bottom part as well, okay? So all you're doing is tell me what's the same about the two problems and then what was different, okay? Okay, did anyone have questions about math today? Y'all think you're gonna rock it? Do fabulous? I think you are. Y'all done really good with arrays. So with reading, we're not going to do another read aloud today because you all did so fantastic on your responses. The only thing I want to mention with reading was that I had some, like one or two friends, and I honestly don't know if it was anyone in this bunch. I don't think it was, but I had a few friends who told me why they liked that text feature, not telling me how that text feature helped them with their understanding what the author wants them to know. So yesterday, let me grab the book that we did. Should still have it. Okay. So with that book I read yesterday, part of it, From Wax to Crowns, okay? Yes, I could say I like the bold-faced words because they just stick out to me and I think they're fun. Okay, does that help you understand the text though, if you think the words are fun? No. I mean, yeah, sure, it's good that you like reading them, and I'm glad you like that, but at the same time, you gotta tell me, how does that help you understand what the author's trying to tell you? Because there's a reason he made those words bold. He didn't do it just to bold them, because then he could just bold any words in here. Okay, and then same thing, table of contents. I think the table of contents helped me because it helped me find information I needed faster. Now, that's a reason. The author wants you to find the information you're specifically looking for, okay? That could be a reason, but I don't want y'all to go and tell me, hey, I like this text feature because it's my favorite, and yeah. But I don't think anyone in this group did that. Y'all all had really awesome responses. I only had like one or two friends who did that. So I just will make sure today that those friends who are going to watch the video later, that they know that, okay? Did y'all have any questions about the reading? No? You all look sleepy this morning. Alrighty, friends. Well, if y'all don't have any questions, you are free to go. Today was short and quick and to the point. So come hang out with us later, okay? Alright. I will talk to you guys later, alright? But stop that.